Israel is a hot and dry country lacking in water resources. Long summers and years of drought have always been the main hurdle for the development of Israel's agriculture. Here too, the climate crisis restricted water for irrigation and harshly impacted agriculture in the Menashe Regional Council. The substantial reduction of water quotas in the 1990s caused thousands of dunams of orchards to be uprooted and the farmland abandoned. The region continued to develop during those years, while at the same time, the problem worsened due to raw sewage polluting large areas of farmland and water sources due to a lack of water treatment solutions. This double-edged crisis was the driving force for innovation and creative solutions, finding permanent and available sources of alternative water. The Menashe Regional Council, together with its Company for Economic Development, began to install systems to collect and purify sewage from the council's communities. Millions of tons of dirt were removed. Hundreds of tons of cement were poured, and skilled and professional labor was recruited. In water treatment facilities, advanced purification technologies were installed. The Haviva treatment plant operates a BioDisc system. The Gan Shmuel treatment plant recently completed a project that improves energy efficiency and water quality through simultaneous nitrification and denitrification, S&D. In the Ein Iron treatment facility, an advanced membrane-based purification system brings the water to tertiary levels. The activated sludge technique, together with depth filtration, purifies water from the Glycone purification plant to tertiary levels. Today, every drop of sewage from each and every community in the Regional Council and the surrounding areas flows to a nearby purification facility and joins 10 million cubic meters of treated sewage water that is returned to the local farmlands. Soon, there will be a significant increase in the amount of treated water, resulting in increased irrigation potential. Wastewater from the western reservoir flows to the Gan Shmuel Granot treatment facility. The southern reservoir feeds the Haviva treatment facility. The northern reservoir flows to the Glycone treatment facility. And the central reservoir feeds the Iron purification facility. From the sewage, the treated water reaches tertiary levels, which enables totally unrestricted irrigation for agriculture. In the past, the sludge removed from the purification process was buried and created an environmental hazard. But today, in the compost plant we have built, the sludge is turned into high-quality fertilizer for agriculture, free from seedlings and other contaminants. This is a revolutionary process that provides a solution for the sludge within the confines of the treatment plants without having to transport it to a burial site. Agriculture in the Menashe region consumes water every day of the year. So, along with the establishment of purification systems, the economic company has constructed a water restoration plant that includes a network of reservoirs. The company also plans to build additional reservoirs as the amount of treated water grows. The reservoirs provide water to farmers through distribution systems that stretch throughout the regional council and connects the farming communities. With the development of the restoration plan, agricultural lands that were once abandoned are now beginning to be farmed again. Thousands of dunams affected by drought are being replanted, and fields are being plowed and planted throughout the entire year. The agriculture in the Regional Council is prospering with more diversity and is more intensive than ever before. The Council's purification area, operated by the economic company, now meets all demands for recovered water for agricultural needs. We can say with satisfaction that 100% of sewage water is purified and recovered. Not even one drop reaches the sea. Also, 100% of the sludge is treated and turned into high-quality compost. None of the sludge is buried. Everything that enters the treatment plant is treated and returned to the environment. We have reached a 0% environmental pollution and steadfast agriculture. The Menashe Regional Council and the Economic Company for the Development of the Menashe Regional Council, with assistance from the Ministry of Construction and Housing, the Water Authority, and the Jewish National Fund, have invested millions of shekels for the establishment of new sewage systems and the water recovery plant. These investments are now bearing fruit, and the greenery is again painting the council's local landscape. Today, Menashe's agriculture is independent, providing water and fertilizing compost with uncompromising preservation of the environment and the quality of groundwater. The innovative treatment of sewage that was once an environmental hazard has now become a resource that will allow any agricultural dream to be realized in the future.